Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. So today we go to the second application of integration, which is finding the volume for the solid of revolution. So there are three methods. Okay, so to find the volume, this method, washer method and shell method. Okay, so for today we learn first about this method. Okay, so under this method, so you will be able to find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved about x-axis, when the shaded region is revolved about the y-axis, and when shaded region is revolved about the line y equal to k, and last one, when the shaded region is revolved about the line x equal to k. Okay, so we go for the first one. Shaded region is revolved about the x-axis. Okay, so for the first one. Okay, so shaded region is revolved about the x-axis. Okay, so this shaded region is bounded by curve fx, x-axis, the line x equal to a, and line x equal to b. Okay, so when this region revolve about the x-axis, it will form this 3D shape. Okay, so dia akan membentuk 3D ni. Okay, so bentuk 3D ni. Okay, but in the exam, you only given this diagram. Okay, so yang ni saja. So this one is not given. Okay, so this one you need to imagine. Okay, so when this region is revolved about the x-axis, so the curve fx will form the outside surface. Okay, so curve fx ni akan membentuk permukaan yang di luar. Okay, and the line x-axis will located at the center. Okay, so x-axis ni, paksi x ni, dia akan berada di tengah-tengah. Okay. Okay, so then to calculate the volume of this 3D shape, okay, so to calculate the volume, so we use pi integration. Okay, so starting from a until b. Okay, so for the limit of integration, so we use the value on the x-axis, which is starting from a until b. Okay, so ni dia punya limit ya untuk membentuk 3D shape ni. Okay, starting from A until, okay, so it will become the limit of integration, and then function inside this one, power of 2. Okay, so function inside this one is the outside surface minus the middle one. Okay, so outside surface this one is fx. Okay, so permukaan yang luar ni adalah fx minus the middle one, which is x-axis. So x-axis, the function is y equal to 0. Okay, so function untuk y, untuk x-axis ni adalah y sama dengan 0. Okay, so then fx minus by 0. Okay, power of 2 dx. Okay, so dekat sini, how to remember? Okay, so sebab nanti ada certain tu function dia inside this one in term of y, and here dy. Okay, tu nanti kita bagi yang b, second one, shaded region is revolved about the y-axis. Okay, so how to remember? Okay, so starting from this one. Okay, so the limit of integration, so you use the value on x-axis. So when you use the value on the x-axis, so the integration must be respect to x. Okay, so when here the value on the x-axis and here respect to x, so thus the function inside this one must be in term of x. Okay, so example. Okay, so find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved about the x-axis. Okay, so this solid region, So this solid region is bounded by the curve y equal to 4 minus x square and x exists. Okay, and it is starting from this point until here. Okay, so the revolve x. Okay, so when it is revolved on the x-axis, so the limit of integration, we use the value on the x-axis, which is starting from this one. Okay, so starting here until here. But here, there is no value. So what you need to do? You need to find the value for this point. Okay, so value of x for this point. Okay, so which is x-intercept lah dekat sini. Okay, so for the x-intercept here, so you know that the value of y is equal to 0. Okay, so here also same. The value of y is equal to 0. So then, to find the value of x, so we substitute y equal to 0 inside this function. So masuk dalam function ni, kenapa? Sebab titik ni melalui curve ni. Okay, so titik x-intercept this one, passing through this curve. So which is this curve, the function is y equal to 4 minus x square. So then we do here 0 equal to 4 minus x square. So 4 is equal to 2 power of 2 minus x square. And then factorize. So factorize, you obtain 0 equal to 2 minus x and 2 plus x. Okay, so solve for x. So you have here 2 minus x equal to 0, and another one is 2 plus x is equal to 0. Okay, so from the first one, you will obtain x equal to 2, and the second one, you will obtain x is equal to negative 2. Okay, so sekali gantikan y sama dengan kosong, terus dapat serentak dua nilai x. Okay, so you put it where is negative 2 and where is 2. Okay, so letak dekat mana negatif 2 dan dekat mana 2. So negative 2 for this point and for the 2 here. Okay, so then now we have the value for x, which is here starting, which is negative 2, and here the ending of the shaded region, which is 2. Okay, so then after that, so we can find the volume. Okay, so volume, it is equal to pi multiply with integration. So starting from negative 2 until 2. Okay, so since we use the value on x-axis, so the integration must be respect to x. Okay, and the function inside this one must be in term of x power of 2. Okay, so function inside this one in term of x. Okay, so this curve minus the line of x-axis. Okay, so this curve is y equal to 4 minus x square, and then minus, so x-axis, which is y equal to 0. So minus by 0. Okay, so then it is equal to pi integration negative 2 to so 4 minus x square, and then minus by 0. Simplify this one first. So inside this one, so yang ni kita pemudahkan dulu. So you will obtain 4 minus x square, and then the outside this one is power of 2. Okay, so after that, expand first this power of 2. So it is equal to pi integration negative 2 from negative 2 until 2. So 4 minus x square of 2. Okay, so expand. So you will obtain 16 minus 8x square plus x power of 4 dx. Okay, and then integrate. It is equal to pi 16x minus 8 over 3x cube plus x power of 5 over 5. Okay, okay lah, yang x power of 3 ni saya tulis macam ni. So nanti ada yang confuse macam mana boleh ke sana pula. Okay. So it is equal to x power of 3 over 3 plus x power of 5 over 5. Okay, so from negative 2 until 2. Okay. And then substitute 2 and negative 2. So it is equal to pi okay, so square bracket. So first substitute 2. It is equal to 16 times by 2 minus 8 times by 2 power of 3 over 3 plus 2 power of 5 over 5. Okay, so each time substitute the value of x. So put in bracket. Okay, so letak bracket. And then minus another one, substitute negative 2. So 16 times negative 2. And then minus 8 times negative 2. Okay, so negative 2 power of 3 over 3. And then plus negative 2 power of 5 over 5. Close bracket and then close square bracket. Okay, so then it is equal to pi. So pi inside the bracket 256. Okay, so for the first one, this one 256 over 15 minus by second one, this one negative 256 over 15. Then close bracket. And then so calculate this one. 256 minus negative 256 become 512. So 512 over 15 and then multiply with pi. So put pi here. Okay. So the unit here, unit cube. Okay. So unit dia adalah unit cube. Kalau area, unit square. Okay. Okay, so next B. So shaded region is revolve about the y-axis. So shaded region revolve about the x-axis, y-axis. Okay, so this shaded region is bounded by curve fy and then line y-axis and then the line y equal to a and y equal to b. Okay. Okay, so this y-axis, the function is x equal to 0. Okay, so when this shaded region revolve about the y-axis, it will form this 3D shape. Okay, so ni bentuk dia. So ni bentuk dia. So the curve fy will form the outside space and the y-axis will be at the, so dia dekat tengah-tengah. Okay, so yang luar ni kita tolakkan dengan yang tengah-tengah. Okay. Tapi nanti kalau dia ada yang line y equal to k tu, yang next lah C, yang C dengan D. Okay, so section C dengan section D. Okay, so when here we have the line x equal to k. Okay, so this line x equal to k. So ni nanti ni lain lah. Okay, so for this one, so the volume for this 3D shape is equal to pi integration a b. Okay, so from a to b. Okay, so because there is this region starting from a until b, and then the value a and b, this one we use the value on the y-axis. Okay, so when we use the value on y-axis, okay, so we will integrate respect to y. Okay. And when this one value of y-axis and this one is respect to y, So the function inside this one must be in term of y, which is fy, and then minus by 0. So for fy is the outer space. Okay, so outer curve ni. Okay, so curve yang membentuk outer space. And then minus 0 is the middle one, yang tengah-tengah, which is x equal to 0. So 0. And then power of 2. Okay. Okay, so example here. The diagram shows part of the curve y equal to x cubed. So find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is rotated through 360 degree about the y-axis. Okay. So this one rotated through 360 degree ni meaning that this curve is fully rotate. Okay, so dia rotate penuh lah. Penuh. Okay, so that the 3D will fully form. Okay. So dia akan bentuk secara penuh lah. Dia tak ada half, quarter, and so on. Okay. So tak ada separuh, ataupun suku, ataupun 3 suku. Okay. So dia rotate penuh. So fully. Okay, so then to find the volume, so it is equal to pi integration. Okay, so for the limit is 1. Okay, so since it is rotate about the y-axis, so the limit of integration is 1, we use the value on the y-axis, which is starting from 1 and ending at 8. Okay, so this region, okay, so kawasan blurred ni, ini. Okay, so start from 1 dan berakhir di 8. Okay, so therefore the limit of integration starting from 1 until 8. Okay, since this one we use the value on y-axis, so the integration must be respect to y, and the function inside this one must be in term of y. So but here the function is y equal to x cubed. So you cannot put x cube minus by 0. Okay, so tak boleh letak x cube kat sini because this one in term of x. So salah. Okay, so wrong. Okay, so what you need to do? Okay, so here when the function is y as the subject. Okay, so when the function is y as the subject, so the function is in term of x. Okay, so to find the function in term of y, so you need to transform this one as x become the subject. Okay, so korang kena ubah ni x sebagai subject. So how to transform this one? So you just bring this power of 3 to the left. Okay, so pindah semua sekali. Apa-apa yang ada dekat bahagian x ni pindah pergi ke kiri. So jadi dia x sorang-sorang. Okay, so tak ada apa-apa, tinggalkan x saja. X become the subject. Okay, so therefore we have here x equal to cube root of y. Okay, which is y power of 1 over 3. Okay, so then so x is in term of y. So the function is in term of y. So now you can put this function inside here. So which is y power of 1 over 3 minus by 0. Okay, so outer space minus by the middle one. Okay. Okay. So then next, oh before that missing here power of 2. Okay, so tertinggal ni power of 2. Okay. So after that simplify. So pi integration 1 until 8. So y power of 1 over 3 minus 0. So only left is y 1 over 3. So y power of 1 over 3. And then power of 2 dy. So it is equal to pi integration from 1 until 8 y power of 2 over 3. Okay, so 1 over 3 by 2. Okay, so 1/3 darabkan dengan 2. Okay, so the law of index. Okay, so when you have this form, so 1/3 multiply with 2. Okay, so 1/3 multiply with 2, so become 2/3. Okay, and here respect to y. Okay, so then it is equal to pi. Pi. So multiply with integration of y power of 2/3 become y power of 5/3. So 5/3 over 5/3. Okay, so from 1 until 8. Okay. So and then substitute the value of y. Okay, so we have here pi. For the first one, substitute 8. Okay, so before that, simplify first. So 1 divide by 5/3. So become 3/5. So 3y 5/3 over 5. Okay. So 1. So yang depan ni 1. So kalau tak ada apa-apa ni 1. So 1 bahagikan dengan 5/3. So become 3/5. Okay. So from 1 until 8. And then substitute 8 into y. Okay, so substitute the value of y. So you will obtain here 3, 8 power of 5/3 over by 5 minus by 3 multiply with 1 power of 5/3 over 5. Okay, so then calculate, kira pi multiply with 96/5 minus by 3/5. Okay, so then you have the answer here. 96/5 minus 3/5 become 93. Okay, so 93/5 pi, okay, times with pi. Okay, so 93/5 pi unit cube. Okay, so next, shaded region is revolve about the line y equal to. So sekarang dia revolve pada y equal to k. This it revolve on the x-axis, which is y equal to 0. Okay, so now it is revolve on the line y equal to k. Okay, so kalau korang bayangkan seperti yang sebelum ni. Okay, so this curve will form the outer space. Okay, so yang ni dia akan, curve yang ni y of x will form the outer space, and the line y equal to k is at the middle. Okay, so therefore the volume here, so dia formula dia lebih kurang je. So only here minus by k. So because the line y equal to k is at the middle, so fx minus by k. Okay, yang lain semua sama. So the limit of integration, we use the value on the x-axis, because this line y equal to k is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so jangan pening-pening nak ambil nilai apa for the limit of integration. So the limit of integration, we use the value of the value on the x-axis, because the y equal to k is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so nak hafal dia senang, sebab line ni parallel dengan x-axis, so we use the value on the x-axis to become the limit of integration. Okay, so kalau ikutkan konsep dia, because this shaded region is starting from A until B. Okay, okay, so since here the value is the value of the x-axis, so thus the integration must be respect to x, and the function inside this one must be in the form of x, in term of x. Okay, so next we go to the example. Okay, so example here. Okay, so the first question, find the coordinates of point A and Q. Okay, so point A and Q. So this point is the intersection between this curve and the line y equal to 7. Okay, so bila point of intersection is 1, so you need to solve it by using simultaneous equation. Okay, so for the A, y equal to 7. Okay, so this one first equation, and second one, y equal to 16 minus x square, which is second equation. Okay, so simultaneous equation ni korang boleh lah selesaikan guna substitution method or elimination method. Okay, so yang keselesaan korang. Okay, so if we just simply substitute 7 into y1, can or not? So boleh tak kalau just kita gantikan 7 ni masuk dalam y untuk cari nilai x? Boleh je, sama je. Okay, so konsep dia this one. Okay, simultaneous equation. So, konsep dia sama je, simultaneous equation. Okay, so substitute 1 into 2, so y equal to 7. Okay, so here I use the substitution method. So y equal to 7, so substitute into the equation number 2. So we have here 7 is equal to 16 minus x square. And then simplify and solve for x. So we have here x square plus 7 minus 16 equal to 0. So we have here x square minus 9 equal to 0. So 9 is 3 power of 2. So x square minus 3 power of 2 equal to 0. Okay, so factorize. So factorize become x minus 3 and x plus by 3 equal to 0. Okay. Okay, so solve for x. So you will obtain here x minus 3 equal to 0 and another one x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so you will have here x equal to 3 and x is equal to negative 3. So refer balik pada graph. So which one is negative 3 and which one is 3? Okay, so as you can see here, so negative 3 must be here at the, okay, so negative 3 here. Okay, and here is 3. Okay, so therefore the coordinate of P is, so P is equal to negative 3, 7. Kenapa 7 sir? Because at the point P, the value of y is 7. Okay, so y, this line. Okay, so garisan ni y equal to 7. So therefore here is 7. Okay, and then for the Q, the coordinate of Q is 3, 7. Okay, next for the B, find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region is revolved about the line y equal to 7. Okay, so this shaded region revolve at the line y equal to 7. Guys, line ni. Okay, so this line y equal to 3 at the middle, and this curve y equal to 16 minus x square will produce the outer space. Okay, so permukaan yang luar. Okay, so outer surface. Okay, so permukaan yang luar. Okay, so therefore the volume. Okay, so yang ni saya delete. Okay, so this one I delete. Okay, so for the B, okay, so to find the volume, it is equal to pi. So integration. Okay, so this line is parallel to the x-axis. So we use the value on x, which is start from negative 3 until 3. Okay, so this start from negative 3 until 3, and then for the inside, this one power of 2 must be the function in term of x. Okay, so because here the value of x, and here integration must be respect to x. Okay, and the function inside this one is in term of x. Okay, so which is 16 minus x square, the outer surface, minus with the middle line. So middle lines at the middle is 1, y equal to 7. So minus by 7. So it is equal to pi. Okay, so simplify inside this one. So yang dalam ni, inside the square bracket. So simplify. So you will have here 16 minus by 7, which is 9, minus x power of 2. And then power of 2 dx. Okay, so after that, expand this power of 2. So expand. So you will obtain here 9 power of 2, which is 81. Okay, so kalau yang tak mahir nak expand tu, korang buatlah 9 minus x square times with 9 minus x square. Okay, expand. Okay, so yang tak mahir. Kalau yang mahir, korang boleh pakai ni. So 9 power of 2, which is 81. And then 2 times by 9, which is 18. And then 18 times by negative x power of square become negative 18x power of 2. Okay. So 2 darab 9 darab negatif x kuasa 2. So dapat negatif 18x kuasa 2. Okay. Okay, so ni cara laju. Okay. So kalau tak mahir, pakailah ni, expand cara ni. Okay. And then negative x square power of 2. So negative x square power of 2 become positive x power of 4 dx. Okay. Then after that, so ada tak yang perlu simplify? Tak ada, because this one 81, this one x power of 2, and this one is x power of 4. Okay, so it is equal to pi. And then since there is no need to nothing to simplify, so we go to the integration. So integrate 81 become 81x, and then negative 18x square become negative 18x power of 3 over 3 plus x power of 5 over 5. So from negative 3 until 3. Okay, so next it is equal to pi. So 81x, simplify first. Because this one 18 divided by 3, you can simplify, become 6x power of 3. And then plus x power of 5 over 5. And then negative 3 until 3. So kalau tak nak simplify boleh ke? Boleh je, tak ada masalah kalau nak simplify. Cuma nanti kalau korang kira, gantikan nilai x ni, so dia akan dapat nilai yang besar-besar lah. So tapi korang guna kalkulator kan. Korang suka dengan kalkulator tu, dia tak ada masalah lah kalau tak nak simplify. Okay. So untuk memudahkan, better lah simplify. Okay. So kalau tak buat simplify ni pun, nanti yang lain-lain pun korang takkan mahir untuk simplify. Okay, so buatlah benda kecil-kecil ni, simplify. Okay, so and then substitute the value of x. Okay, so it is equal to pi 81 times with 3 minus by 6. Okay, so 3 power of 3, 27. Okay, so nak tulis 3 power of 3 pun boleh. And then plus 3 power of 5 over 5. And then minus for the second, negative 3. 81 times with negative 3 minus 6 times with negative 3 power of 3 plus negative 3 power of 5 over 5. Okay, and then after that calculate. So kira, so you will obtain here equal to, so equal to pi, okay, so square bracket, okay, so square bracket 648 over 5 minus by negative 648 over 5, and then close square bracket. So the answer is 648 over 5 minus by negative 648 over 5. So minus negative become positive. Okay, so then you will have here 1296. So 1296, okay, over 5, and then times with pi, unit cube. Okay. Okay, so negative, negative, positive. So 648 plus 648 become 1296. Okay. Okay, so yang simplify, pasal simplify tu better lah korang simplify. Kadang ada certain working step dia bagi markah simplify. So kadang kalau korang tak nak buat, kat situ lah yang akan hilang markah. Okay. So next, D. Shaded region is revolve about the line x equal to k. Okay, so sama je lah macam konsep dia, sama macam yang sebelum-sebelum ni. Okay, so this shaded region is bounded by the curve fy and the line x equal to k. Okay, and starting from A until B. Okay, so the line y equal to A, y equal to B. Okay, so start from A until B. Okay, so when this shaded region is revolve about the line x equal to k, so this one, x equal to k, this one. So the curve fy, this one, will form the outer surface, and the line, this one, will be at the middle. Okay, so therefore the volume here is equal to pi, the integration from A until B. So this value, we use the value on the y-axis because the middle line, this one, is parallel to the y-axis. Okay, so we use the value on the y-axis, which is starting from A until B. Okay, and the integration must respect to y, and the function inside this one must be in term of y. Okay, so outer surface minus by the middle one. Okay, so yang luar ni tolakkan dengan yang tengah-tengah. So bila dia revolve at the line x equal to k, so the curve fy will form the outer surface. So outer surface minus the middle. Okay, so the x equal to k. Okay. Okay, so example here. So the region R is bounded by the x equal to y square and the line x equal to k. So find the volume of the solid generated when R is revolved about the line x equal to k. Okay, so when this shaded region revolve at the line x equal to k, so the curve x equal to y square will form the outer surface. Okay, so yang ni line x equal to 4, this one, x equal to 4, this one, will be at the middle. So yang curve ni dia akan membentuk permukaan luar. So therefore the volume we calculated by using pi. Okay, so we calculate by using pi, multiply with integration. Okay, so starting from negative 2 until 2. Okay, so we use the value of y-axis because the middle line, this one, parallel to the y-axis. Okay, okay. So konsepnya, yang asal konsepnya, because this shaded region is bounded from the line y equal to negative 2 until 2. Okay, so dia sesuai dekat y, nilai y lah. Tak boleh lah ambil nilai x ni. Okay, okay, so pi integration negative 2 until 2. Okay, so the value here we use the y-axis, so the integration must be respect to y, and the function this one inside this one must be in term of y. So outer surface, which is this curve, y square, and then minus by the middle line, which is x equal to 4, so minus 4. Okay, and then power of 2. Okay, then so it is equal to pi integration from -2 until 2. Okay, so this one inside this one there is nothing to simplify. So then next we expand power of 2. So expand power of 2 become y square power of 2 become y power of 4, and then 2 times -4 times y square become -8y square, and then -4 power of 2 become positive 16. Then respect to y. Okay, so after that, okay, so nothing to simplify here. Okay, so next step, integrate. Integrate y power of 4 become y power of 5 over 5 minus 8y power of 3 over 3 plus 16y from -2 until 2. Okay, next substitute the value of y. So it is equal to pi for the first one, which is 2 power of 5 over 5 minus by 8 times with 2 power of 3 over 3 plus 16 times with 2, and then minus for the second one, which is -2. So minus with -2 power of 5 over 5, and then minus 8 -2 power of 3 over 3 plus 16 times with -2, and then calculate. So it is equal to pi. So pi multiply with, for the first one, this one is 256 over 15 minus with -256 over 15. Okay, so then the answer is 512. Okay, so 256 over 15 minus by -256 over 15 become 512 over 15, and then multiply with pi. So you need cube. Okay, so then finish. Okay, so finish for our lesson today. So see you later. Thank you and assalamualaikum. Okay, so tolong buat latihan. Okay, so buat latihan banyak-banyak untuk topik ni. Nanti korang akan mahir lah bila nak pakai tu, bila nak pakai ni. Okay, so that's all. So see you later. Thank you and assalamualaikum.